Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So fourth chapter is PLSQL programming. In last part of fourth chapter, we are seeing the block structure of PLSQL, advantages of PLSQL. After that, next one is the variable. A variable are placeholder that hold a value which keep changing throughout the exception of PLSQL block. Syntax variable underscore name, data type, and value. Example, if you want to store the current salary of employee, you can use variable declare emp salary 8. Emp sal is a variable of data type number and the length is 8. We can assign value to variable in the two ways given below. Assigning value to variable directly, variable underscore name is equal to value. Assigning the value to variable from the database column by using select into statement, like select column name into variable name from table name where condition. Example of variable to display the salary of a specific employee using the where variable where salary. So this is the code. Start with SQL and greater than symbol. Declare variable salary is declaring the 6 variable employee number is equal to 6 is equal to E001. After that execution section it's begin select salary into variable salary from employee table where employee number is equal to variable employee number, and this is the dbms out dot put underscore line where underscore salary. After that end, and last one is the slash. So this is the example of the scope of variable. The PLSQL allow to the nesting of block within the blocks, and based on their declaration, the variable can be classified into the two types, local variable and global variable. Local variables declared in the inner block cannot be referenced by outside block, and global variable declared in the outer block cannot be referenced by the itself and by its inner block. Handling variable in a PLSQL. Handling a variable must be declared. They are used. The PLSQL variable can be scalar types such as date, number, varchar2, boolean, long, and character are composite types such as vary. Only true, false, or null can be assigned to the boolean type of variable. Control structure. The control structure decides the execution flow of the program depending on the condition defined by the programmer. Following control structure can be used individually or in combination to deal with a given problem. Selection control structure. It's used to test a condition and then execute on sequence of statement instead of another, depending on which condition of evaluate to true. Iteration control structure repeatedly execute a sequence of statement as long as a condition evaluate to true. Counter are used which can be incremented or decremented for getting desired number of iteration. Conditional control. Sequence control structure is a simple form of control structure which simply execute a sequence of structure in the order in which they occur. The conditional control, there are types: if statement, if then statement, if then else statement, nested if then else statement. If statement, an if statement execute a sequence of statements depending on the value of condition. When the condition is satisfied, the necessary option will be executed. There are three forms of statement: if then else, and if then else if. Condition can be formed using relational operates given in following relational operation tables. If then statement. The simplest form of if statement associated a condition with a sequence of statements enclosed by the keyword. then an end. If then execute the statement of or block of statement if the condition returns true. This is the syntax. If condition, then statement 1, statement 2, and end if. This is the example. SQL declare number 1 number 6, number 2 number 6, begin number 1 is equal to 16, number 2 is equal to 61. If number 1 is less than number 2, then dbms out underscore out dot output dot put underscore line number 1 in less than number 2 end if, and after that end and slash. The 16 is less than 61. Here the condition is getting satisfied, that's why it will print the number is greater than 61. After that, second example, declare string 1 varchar 12, string 2 varchar 12, begin string 1 take max and string 2 take max. If the string 1 likes string 2, then it will the print the string 1 is same like as the string 2. So printing output print is the dbms dot output dot line. The takemax is same like as the takemax. After that, if then else. In this type of if statement, there is the keyword else followed by the alternative sequence of statement which can be executed when the condition with if evaluate to false. This is the syntax. If condition, then true statement, else false statement, and if. This is the example. Declare percent numeric begin percent is equal to 60. If percent is less than greater than 30, then dbms output does pass, else dbms output line fail, and if end. Second example, declare string 1 varchar 12, string 2 varchar 12, begin string 1 is equal to take max and string 2 is equal to null. If the string 1 like string 2, then dbms out output line string 1 is the same as string 2, else dbms out dot put line string 1 is not same as string 2. Here condition is not satisfied because of the string 2 is null. That's why take max is not same as the take max. Nested if then else. If statement can also be inside other if statement. These allow us to check more than one condition in a series and execute the appropriate block of statement depending on the condition. The syntax is if condition 1, then if else if condition 2, then else if condition 2, then and if. So this is the example. SQL declare the percent numeric begin percent is equal to 83. If percentage is greater than equal to 75, then output line will be distinction. If percentage is greater than 60, then and percentage is less than 75, then output first is first class. After that, the after that, if else percentage is uh, greater than 50 and percentage is less than 60, then output second class. If after that, else if percentage is equal to 40 and percentage is equal to percentage is small less than 50, then output is a pass class. Else if dbms output that left fail if condition, and here we'll be assigning the percentage equal to 83. That's why it's in the distinction. Next is a next example is greeting as per hour of the day. Declare hour where char 10 to char system date HS24. Begin if hours is greater than 16, then remembers outputs the good evening. If else if hours is greater than 12, then DBMS output line will be printed as a good afternoon. If else if DBMS output line is a good morning, and if after that end So it will be we are putting the 24 the that's why it will be good morning. So here we are studying about the cases